Hello, my dear crafters. So as you know, I am now working on my Easter and spring collection and all the products that I'm going to bring to you and all the beautiful things you're going to learn. So I thought I would share with you, before I show you the project themselves, what I'm working on in terms of embellishments, cutouts, and things like that. But they're mainly things that I will decorate the projects with. They're not the projects themselves. So I know that some of you, and I've had some of you ask me if I could release like the dies that I'll be using on the project so that you can buy it before I start the series. So that's what I'm doing today. So we're going to start with this beautiful basket. This is one of my favorite dies that I've seen for Easter or spring, and you can use it any way you want. Let me show you what it looks like close by. Look at that. How beautiful is this? And so versatile. You can use this for spring. You can use it for Easter, and I'm going to have some projects coming up with this, but you can use this on your beautiful cards as well. Just a wonderful thing. You can, instead of having this, just flowers and make it very pretty. And I am also going to bring you a video showing how to put this together, okay? But look at this. This one, I emphasize the little bunny, and of course I have some of these are cut out, and I'll show you what I'm using this year. And this is actually from the Dollar Tree. These eggs, they come in packs. Let me see if I have them here. I have something. Yeah, they come in packs like this. So use whatever you have. Use your flowers. I'm sure you have die cuts or chipboard die cuts, those little ones, and stickers. You can do something as simple as this. Just put it together. And I used, this is from the Dollar Tree as well. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree. And I just, instead of using the same color here, like I did with this one, I use different colors just to make it very colorful. So I thought that was a nice touch, just to use these strips of paper here differently. And you can decorate whichever. I'm just giving you some ideas on how to decorate it. But the die, guys, honestly. And the other thing that I want to show you is, see how this has these gaps? I learned this because when I made the first one, which was this one, I pushed it really tight, which is a very nice way to do it. It looks beautiful, but you can do it separately too. And it actually comes with 6. I'll show you the die soon. And if you press it down and glue it very close together, there's going to be a gap here. So, but not a problem either, because you're going to decorate the top anyway. But it's just 2 ways of doing it, either tight or with the little holes, which looks more like, I have to say, looks more like a real basket. So there you go, another decoration. And the last one, just flowers. So this can be for spring. Absolutely love this die. This is the back. It's just gorgeous, guys. And it's one of those that you're going to use for many, many years. Let me show you the die. If you're interested, I'll have the link to all the dies below, okay? So it comes with this. Let me show you the one that I used. All of the pieces, actually. So this is the basket itself. These are the strips of paper that you're going to weave in. And they have this kind of a bow here. Bow, kind of a flower thing here. And some eggs. As you can see, these were the eggs that I cut with it. And I love this. I love this die because this is one of the things I love about it. It's just, let me show you if I have it here. I think if you look at the back, you will see it. So it's just like a twirly thing, like grass that you can use just to add some interest to it. So it's just a little piece of grass here. But a beautiful, this is for the middle here. Even though I didn't use it, I actually used a pearl, as you can see. But you know, use whatever you have. But this is really a die that I recommend. It's not expensive. It's very, very affordable. And I have the links to all of them. So that is one of the beautiful things that I'm working on. Guys, I spent all day yesterday just cutting and gluing, which means absolute heaven. So the next one that I want to show you, I'll put the die here on the side. but I want to show you what it looks like first. It's a shaker chick. Look at this. How cute is this? It's like a little bunny. And you have the little egg here where you can make a shaker. So it's a bunny, and I think if you don't have this, then it's a chick, right? And it has these beautiful eyelashes, and the die comes with all of this, all of like the ears and everything. So very pretty shaker one that you can use in the little feet. Look at this. Yeah, I love it. So you can either make it a bunny, and if you don't use this, it's going to be just a little chick. And then you use these feet, I believe. So there you go. Let me show you the die. So you can see here these two parts for the egg. This makes the shaker, or just an outline. You don't have to make a shaker. You can just make it as an outline. But I love shakers. So these are the ears. And this here, this piece here cuts all the little pieces, like the eyelashes, the nose, the ear inside part here, and the eyes. So there's the eyes and the nose, and the feet are right here, and the body of the chick. I'm not sure. This is supposed to be a chick, but it has the bunny ears as well. So anyway, you do whatever you want. So there you go. Very nice die to have. I'm going to use this for decoration. I don't know in what for sure, because that's what I usually do. That's my process. I just work with the die sets that I bought. I put them together, and then I think about what I'm going to do with them. Because honestly, this on a card front is a beautiful card. Don't need anything else. Just maybe a happy Easter, and that's it. So that's the second die that I wanted to show you. Now we're going, let me show you some some little tiny bunnies. I'll see if I find this die, because this is actually from last year, and you can add a little Pompom. Look at this, a little tiny bunny for your projects. So I have several here, as you can see, different colors, you can use it with just pattern papers inside. I like to use pattern paper, not just solid ones. I like the ones, let me show you the ones that I love. This paper here, because it has some eggs. See, same one that I use here. So this is a decoration that I'm going to use for my little boxes and stuff, and I'm coming up with with treat boxes for you, because that's what we do. We give away chocolate, right? Especially for kids. So that's another little tiny die. This one, I'll see if I find it online, because I bought this last year and I never had the chance to use. So I'm using it this year, and I'm using my pom-poms. This is something that I really recommend that you get, guys. Not just for this, but for so many projects like my mini books. I use it a lot. I'll have the link below for you. Always have these little tiny pom-poms, because you buy a bag, it's very inexpensive, and it comes with like hundreds, and you use it for years. And I've had this for, I don't know, 3-4 years, and look at this. I still have like 10 years of pom-poms, but it's something that you can really use on your projects. So this is something that I know you will love, because we all need bag toppers. And look at this one. This, I believe, is from KS Crafts. I'll have the link below. So it's a table, it's a a bag topper. So you have a plastic bag, and I'm going to come up with something for this, either for kids, like a kit for kids, or just for sweets. So you just use it as a topper, and it just makes a huge difference, doesn't it? And you can decorate it. It comes like this. Here is the tag. Very inexpensive too. I believe this is KS Crafts too. I buy a lot of their stuff. So it comes with the topper, and you just cut in one go on your die machine, which is great. And this is for here, if you want to add a detail. And you have the word sweet, and then stuff, sweet stuff. So sometimes I just use the sweet, like here, see? But if you have the stuff, it goes right there. And you can just cut it out if you don't, or you just leave it as is. But look at that. See, this one I use the detail. This one too, this one too. So all three I had like the handle. It's a nice detail, so I always do that. So this is a table top. Why am I saying table? Well, oh, let me show the other one with the stuff. See, sweet stuff. I think this yellow didn't really pop as much as I wanted. I should have used orange, but just to see what it looks like. That's why it has these bumps here. So that's why you put the stuff. So the bag topper, and it has a stitching. See the stitching, which is really, really nice. So there you go. If you are looking for dies and new things for your Easter and spring, I think I'm done. Let me see, shake, backbone, and little bunnies. Yes, so these are the things that I've been working on this week, and I am starting to put together some videos on how to use all this one, the shaker and the bag topper. I'm going to have videos showing you how to put it together, okay? Because sometimes you look at dies and you don't know what is this little piece. And if you don't have a reference, it's kind of hard sometimes. So I want to make sure you understand how to put together all these three here. So I will have a video on that, okay? So that's what I'm working on. I hope you enjoyed it, and get ready. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do. It does help the channel a lot. I just found out that 80% of my viewers are not subscribers. So if you subscribe, it helps the algorithm find and send my videos to more crafters like you. So thank you so much. And yeah, so get ready for my spring and my nice, I love Easter. I just love these little things, these bunnies and stuff. And yeah, so that's that. I'm working on all the projects and they're coming up soon.